Welcome to the Daily Quiz Podcast. Today's category is Science and Nature. Let's get to it. Question 1. Which member of the orchid family is used commercially as a flavoring? Is it A. Almond, B. Cinnamon, C. Vanilla, or D. Cocoa? The answer is C. Vanilla.
Vanilla, derived from the orchid Vanilla plenifolia, is one of the most labor-intensive crops in the world. Each flower must be hand-pollinated within a short 12-hour window when it blooms. This meticulous process contributes to vanilla's status as one of the most expensive spices globally, second only to saffron.
Question 2. What celestial object was the first for humankind to set foot on? Is it A. the Sun, B. Halley's Comet, C. Mars, or D. the Moon? The answer is D. the Moon.
When Neil Armstrong set foot on the moon in 1969, he left behind a plaque that reads, "We came in peace for all mankind." The Apollo 11 mission also carried a tiny silicon disk inscribed with goodwill messages from 73 world leaders, making it an interstellar time capsule of human unity.
Question 3. What is geochronology the study of? Is it A. the functions of the nervous system, B. the biosphere and its relations to the lithosphere and atmosphere, C. the preparation of books and manuscripts, or D. the age of the earth? The answer is D. the age of the earth.
Geochronology, the science of determining Earth's age, has revealed that our planet is approximately 4.54 billion years old. This field uses techniques like radiometric dating, which relies on the decay rates of radioactive isotopes in rocks and minerals, to unlock Earth's ancient secrets and trace its geological history back billions of years.
Question 4. What is the world's largest mammal? Is it A. African elephant, B. sperm whale, C. hippopotamus, or D. blue whale? The answer is D. blue whale.
The blue whale, the world's largest mammal, can weigh as much as 200 tons, equivalent to about 33 elephants. Its heart alone is the size of a small car and beats so powerfully that it can be detected from over 2 miles away. Despite their massive size, they primarily feed on tiny krill.
Question 5. Which of these numbers is not a factor of 15? Is it A. 4, B. 1, C. 3, or D. 5? The answer is A. 4.
The number 4 is not a factor of 15, as factors are numbers that divide evenly into another number. While 1, 3, and 5 fit this bill for the number 15, dividing by 4 leaves a remainder. Interestingly, the ancient Greeks considered numbers like these imperfect due to their indivisibility.
Question 6. In dyeing, what is the name given to the substance used for fixing the color? Is it A. solvent, B. base, C. precursor, or D. catalyst? The answer is D. catalyst.
In the world of dyeing, a catalyst plays a crucial role in fixing colors onto fabrics. This magical substance speeds up chemical reactions without being consumed, ensuring vibrant hues stay put. Imagine it as the unsung hero behind your favorite colorful garments, working tirelessly to keep them bright and beautiful.
Question 7. What kind of electronic tube is used to produce microwaves? Is it A. Transistor. B. Magnetron. C. Diode. Or D. Resistor. The answer is B. Magnetron.
The magnetron, a key component in microwave ovens, was originally developed during World War II for radar technology. Its ability to generate high-frequency radio waves helped Allied forces detect enemy aircraft. Today, this same technology heats our leftovers and pops our popcorn with remarkable efficiency and speed.
Question 8. What is the word for a group of goats? Is it A. a muster, B. a watch, C. a herd, or D. a murder? The answer is C. a herd.
A group of goats is called a herd, but did you know that goats have been domesticated for over 10,000 years? These social animals are known for their curious nature and incredible climbing skills. In fact, some goats in Morocco are famous for climbing argan trees to munch on the fruit.
Question 9. At which point are the temperature scales Fahrenheit and Celsius the same? Is it A. 64, B. 16, C. -40, or D. 0? The answer is C. -40.
At -40 degrees, both Fahrenheit and Celsius scales converge, creating a rare moment of agreement in the world of temperature. This chilly coincidence is often used by meteorologists and scientists as a quirky trivia fact. It's also the temperature at which antifreeze becomes crucial for car engines.
Thanks for orbiting our trivia universe. We hope you had a blast and your curiosity was elementary. Until next time, stay naturally curious. I'm Montgomery Jones.
And I'm Amalia Dupre. Goodbye for now, until we meet again tomorrow.
This episode is produced by Classic Studios. See the show notes page for sources and credits. Check out our other podcasts and our network at classicstudios.com.